ladies and gentlemen, next round, Reliance Trends round. Reliance Trends, designed for the spunky, carefree, spirited Indian woman. This collection is by Reliance Trend is all about contemporary, functional, ready-to-wear Western outfits in jersey, lycra and cotton. The range spoils you absolutely for choice with shirts, t-shirts, culottes, dresses in various hues and fabrics. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting the next round. First contestant, the very, very beautiful Karishma Nath. She hails from the beautiful city of Silchar and is currently pursuing her graduation in science, majoring in chemistry, right? To be precise, she derives pleasure from simple things in life, traveling and singing. She's a very, very talented singer. Facing the camera and walking the ramp have attracted her from childhood, right? Oh my God, that smile. She's ready to show the world her individual style and fashion sensibility. Janet believes that failure teach us some of the biggest lessons in life. She's not afraid of learning from mistakes. Janet, how are you feeling?
I'm enjoying it actually, and I'm a little nervous.
Contestant number 3, that is Shumon Mukherjee. This young girl from Guwahati is currently pursuing her MA in philosophy. A fun-loving person, she likes to see people smiling. I think that's the biggest gift you can give somebody. She loves to spend time with her friends, shopping. She's a woman. And the one thing she can't get enough of is her mother's cooking. So are you dieting? Okay, that's not the appropriate thing to say. And our next contestant is Archana Sharma. She just completed her graduation, ladies and gentlemen, and is now focusing on modeling. She loves acting too and looks up to her role model, Priyanka Chopra. Tanumita Ghosh. For this stylist and blogger from Kolkata, being a part of the fashion industry is as important as breathing. She wants to explore each and every emerging facet of this industry. She believes in giving her absolute best to whatever it takes, right? So if you got a chance, which fashion icon's biography would you like to write?
I think that would be Rihanna.
Aishwarya Mole. She's currently pursuing her graduation in commerce. Dancing is her passion. She wants to carve her niche in the world of fashion. She firmly believes that modeling will help her create her own identity. Ladies and gentlemen, the 6th beautiful contestant. Can we give them a big hand? Thank you very much. Contestant number 7, Priyanka Kalita. She's an acting student, painting is her hobby, acting is her passion, and modeling is her dream. She strongly feels that sheer hard work can help her achieve anything she wants in life. This Guwahati girl has a mission to fulfill. She wants to be successful as a model, she wants to travel the world, and she wants to shop everything what she can, right? And buy a warehouse to keep it. She's proud because she belongs to a family of strong women. Shayantika Shaha Bhodro. She has a solid grounding in finance. That's a good field. And is currently preparing for MBA entrance exams. Hailing from Kolkata, she wants to be a very, very successful model and an entrepreneur. She's a great foodie, but doesn't let her passion food meddle with her fitness routine. Shivani Michelle Baker, the management student's hobbies include dancing, singing, and of course shopping, that's not mentioned here. Playing the guitar, that's a unique talent. She's a district level Kho-Kho player. We also got to know that you are a big football fan. So tell us, who's your favorite player?
I think it's every girl's favorite football player, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Pooja Ghosh, she's currently pursuing her graduation at Tezpur Darang College. She has a wanderlust and is keen on learning new things, a firm believer in hard work. Pooja wants to make her mark in the world of modeling. Wasima Rehman, originally from the temple town of Shivasagar, Wasima is currently pursuing her master's in mass communication and journalism at the Tezpur Central University. She's passionate about writing and walking the ramp. 5 years from now, she sees herself as a successful model, of course, who's also the face of India. Pranjali Purakaso, the Guwahati girl, feels that a woman's best outfit is her smile, and you're wearing a wonderful one. Rukhsar Yasmin, a software engineer, this Guwahati girl is also a model and entrepreneur with her own clothing brand. This young achiever wants to work for the upliftment of women of rural India. Can we give a round of applause for these lovely ladies, everybody?